Hello guys and teacher, this is the video about my reasons I write a letter to the bottles company. I write a letter to bottles company because they don't have good use that your waste. The workers that bottles company and don't be satisfied because they use the resource. They don't recycle, don't generate, they don't use actually the resource. And I write one suggestion about that. Use better and avoid terrible damage to the environment. The factory don't separate the damage, and they don't separate glass or paper or bottles. It's hard that they have a good use the resource if they don't separate or recycle the the things that there is in their factory. Other thing that I write them was that they should to begin with actions to save the environment. This is so important because the factories generate too many damage, and they can to fix the problem if they improve the politicals of the factory. They can to save the environment. This was the reason that I write them. It was all. Thanks for watch this video. Bye bye.